Jesus Christ. On a cracker. It's a thing, trust me. Action, please hide. Please. I need to close that and fucking Facebooks. Well, we got about 3 more hours till our internet turns off again.
Wait, Fox, you know what we should do after this game?
What?
Drop my thing.
You know what you should do?
What?
Shut up. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital after the heart attack Pub gave me. Jesus Christ. It's like, Poppy, get back here!
Oh my god.
You're gonna fucking end up like Crocodile Dundee, man.
It's funny, on my sports specialist it says wield 2,000 door hit points and I got 26,780.
Yeah, so you just need shotgun damage now.
Yeah.
I would level up Commando as support specialist if there wasn't, better classes. I mean, for welding, yeah, it's cool. And
I honestly
Commando,
think it's
seeing
pretty
stalkers,
useful.
yay, that's cool.
I mean, support specialist is really good with shotguns.
Shotguns in this game suck, though.
Yes, I know.
Oh, did you feel the pain?
I did. I'm like, these are so stupid. How did I get put into this?
Same way I got put into you. Da-da-da.
Dang! Well, if you really insist.
I always do.
Yeah, we know you insist.
Fuck you. Y'all fucking level 2 and 3 nubs.
Oh yeah, how many games
Cheetah.
have I played?
Cheetah, do you know how to play a fucking Commando?
You saw me playing it.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you go Commando. Pup, you can go as something fucking else. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Something that will do its fucking job.
Let's get in the helicopter.
No one died.
And keep
Yeah!
You gotta keep
Yeah, let's go.
You gotta keep the
Let's go, off we go.
You gotta keep the fucking heat off the sharpshooter for the 0.2 seconds it takes to aim. But you can't do that, can you, Poppy?
I can't do anything.
Oh, don't be that
My god,
way.
it looks so creepy, the headless fatso.
Puppy, how are you already dead?
Because I ran into his dead body.
You're fucking stupid. You see what I gotta deal with, people? You see what I gotta live with?
You know
No, I
what?
don't.
Throwing me off
I'd
my
feel bad
game.
if I had to live with you too.
You know what? Fuck you, Sheeta. I didn't ask for your opinion.
That guy's right behind you, Fox.
Boinky. Thank you. See, that's how somebody gives help. Not when it's on top of me, hitting me for 30k damage already. Ah! I'm probably gonna die
Stop
now.
barfing on people.
I don't, Puppy.
Hi.
If I was your father, I'd be very disappointed in you. How did you even make it into the army without basic training skills? Do they just take a homeless man off the street to give him a gun and knife? Like, yeah, go at it. You don't have to
Wouldn't
worry-
you?
You know what? Fuck you, Sheeta. You're ruining my point. I still love you, Puppy. Jesus Christ.
360! Aw. I need a one-shot weapon.
We have those. It's called not the fucking M9.
Oh, crossbows is what it is.
One, game the Hyundai Chinken Toy.
We don't speak that language. Can you please speak fucking English?
No!
You
This is
fucking
America.
idiot.
I speak everything but English.
That's what it's turned into, yeah.
Yeah!
Really? Ah! He was after the booty from day one.
Day 3. Got real close to booty. Almost got to crop field. Next day, I will get crop field.
Jesus fucking Christ, shut up, you purple bastard. Where's
Hey,
the last
Cheetah.
one?
The last one's thinking about how he's gonna touch your ass.
Oh, baby. I give him full consent to do what he wishes.
That's really weird. Watch
Freaky
like the big
zombie
fat
sex.
barfing one.
You know what? It's gonna be now. God damn it.
Yeah.
I don't fucking hear it.
My welding's too strong.
I hear something. It's, it is a big fat barfing one. Jesus Christ. It's a fucking blow. Thank you, Sheeta. You cursed me. Now he's gonna bleh all over my ass, and god damn it, puppy.
Hey, Cheetah, get some more
Why?
money after you're done.
Let me in.
Get some more money.
I
Yes.
don't really need money right now. Okay, I need a little bit
Yes.
of money. I need
Yeah,
a
money?
cut. I need.
Don't
never
give him
mind.
any.
Yeah, don't give me money. I don't need no money. Never mind.
I need money.
But you just gave it all away. What the fuck?
I give away one.
Here.
I want to
Shit.
get a
Fucking
There we
movie.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I can get a I can get this.
Doop-a-dee-dee. He's gonna fucking weld the door on me.
No. You guys suck. God damn it, they're both welded.
I know your game.
You started that with the welding last time, so
You mad?
nope. I just try to get everyone else back.